In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar with this comprehensive tutorial for beginners. Whether you're new to the digital calendar world or you just want to brush up on your skills, this guide is for you. We're going to go through the entire process, step by step, making it easy and straightforward. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Calendar by typing Google Calendar into your search bar. Once the home page loads, you'll see a sign in button in the top right corner. Clicking on this will lead you to a page where you can choose your Google account. This is a straightforward step but essential for accessing your calendar. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the main interface of Google Calendar, which we'll spend a little time exploring. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a mini calendar, which is perfect for quick navigation. Below this mini calendar, you'll find lists labeled My Calendars and Other Calendars. These will become handy as you start managing multiple calendars or integrating calendars from other users or platforms. Now let's look at how to change calendar views. At the top of the screen, you'll see a drop-down arrow. Click on this to toggle between different view options like day, week, month, and year. This feature allows you to customize how you see your schedules, helping you plan more efficiently based on your preferences and needs. Moving to the right-hand side of the interface, you'll find optional tools like Tasks, Keep, Contacts, and Maps. These are additional features integrated with Google Calendar that offer functionality like task management, note-taking, and even navigation, enhancing your overall productivity. Creating a new event is very simple. Look for the plus create button on your desktop or the plus icon if you're using a mobile device. This opens a new event window where you can add essential details like the event title, date, time, location, and a description. Once you've filled in all the important details, click Save to add your event to the calendar. If you want to delve deeper, you can explore the settings to tailor Google Calendar even more to your liking. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner and select Settings. From here, you have the flexibility to adjust time zones, notifications, and how you share calendars. This is also the spot where you can change the appearance of your calendar to make it more visually appealing or accessible according to your preference. By the end of this tutorial, you should feel confident navigating through Google Calendar, creating events, and personalizing its settings to suit your lifestyle. Thank you for joining me on this journey to mastering Google Calendar, and happy scheduling.